Hey, do you ever find yourself in a situation where you end up with the same part number for a couple of parts? It's easy to do in CAD, especially if you're using the file name as the part number. So in this example, I'm going to demonstrate some new functionality that OpenBOM is coming with in the add-in to start trapping that and giving you better messaging at that point. So Steve Hess here, VP of Product at OpenBOM. I'm looking at a SolidWorks assembly, very simple assembly. This is the clip from the flashlight. And you can see this is called clip assembly. I've also got something in here that's the part, the clip SLDPRT, or the clip part. Now, if I'm building a BOM where I'm not specifying the part numbers, which is not the best practice, but it's common. If I'm building a BOM where I'm using the file name as the part number, I'm going to run into trouble with that because I'm going to end up with two different things with the same part number, clip. So let's show now what will happen if we run this with the latest OpenBOM add-in. I'm going to go ahead and build this BOM with OpenBOM, and I'm going to get a message. It says, hey, look, you've got a couple of things. We can't build this BOM. You've got a couple of things that have the duplicate part number. And you get a little guidance here about which parts or assemblies are affected. In this case, clip assembly and clip part would both end up in OpenBOM with the same part number, clip. So that's not good. We certainly don't want to do that. It's bad practices for data. It drives trouble for purchasing and everything else. So the easiest fix here is just to open up the clip part and give it a proper part number. So I'm going to open up the clip, go into the settings, give this a part number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and save that. I'm going to return to the clip assembly, build the bill of material. OpenBOM again is going to check for validation. Everything's good now. The assembly will still be clip. The part will have a new part number. And let's see what it looks like when we open it up. Here we go. Assembly, part number clip. Again, from the file name, not the best practice, but we do support it. And now the part called clip has its proper part number. You'll remove those conflicts and you won't get the dreaded circular reference message, and your purchasing people won't be confused because you won't end up with two part numbers for the same part number on two different items. So that is in the January release. It's out now of the integration for SolidWorks. So you want to be looking for release number 3728 or later. So love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.